So this is the Worthy app right here in Notion. This is like the product homepage, and these are some of the things that I've built. So first, I'm going to just go over the sales and product side. Most of this other stuff is kind of built into it and not what I've created. I'll add some more to it eventually, but that's not the point of this video. So first, I'm going to start off on this left side. I'm not going to go through this homepage. You can if you'd like to. First is just going to be a quick sales collabs page. This is going to show all of the deals that have been closed won. It's also going to show a list of different clients or prospects that we can have for specifically different employers that we might be selling to, and then also data sharing opportunities that people that would want our data. Next is going to be feature requests. These are just a list of different features that somebody might be planning or wanting or requesting or asking for. Obviously, as sales engineers, we have to add new ones all the time. So that would be as simple as putting one in, putting the project in. And once it's creating, coming in and adding detail about this project, what different tasks may be required, and letting the product team go from there. With Notion, multiple people will be able to take control over different pages. Next is going to be the product roadmap. This is going to be this is going to be fed in from the feature requests, things that get approved and put on the roadmap. Some things will get backlogged. As you can see, there's different things that there's different statuses that we can put on here. With this product roadmap, you can see the idea name. You can also see the status of it, who assigned it. These are all me right now, of course. And then also when that sprint should start. Next is going to be your go-to-market. So this has different views. So in progress views, you can see these are some of the clients that we are currently working with. This is the status. They're all in progress, whether it's qualification, negotiation, or solutioning. And then this is the vertical or type of client that it is. Most of them are going to be employers, but there are some that will share our data and we'll be signing deals with them as well. You can also look at this by stage. So some might be in prospecting, qualification, demoing or scoping, solutioning, negotiation, or closed won or closed loss as well. And if you want to look at it timeline wise, there's also a way to say, hey, this is where we are within the time period. This is when some of these implementations should kick off. And this is just a different way of looking at it. Then you can also just look at all of your deals. So not just what's being worked on right now, but also what has already been won and what stage some of the things are that are being worked on. This will be good for a management view to be able to say who is assigned to what deals and what stages are they in. And the cool thing about it is each one of these deals can be opened up to say like what's currently going on. So specifically, let's go to the Southwest Airlines one, and you can see that there's details about each one of these clients. So how many seats are required for this? Are they won which products? You can read through here as well. You can see some of the scoping that I did. I'll go over an actual scoping video, so you don't have to worry about this here, but it has all the notes, and then it also has tasks assigned to this specific client. So if we close this deal, I can go in and say, hey, I've already done scoping. I need to update the Salesforce link. I need to schedule a kickoff call. And these things are templated. So each one of these deals will have this type of template where I have all my scoping notes. I have all of my project tasks. And I also have different topics about this project. And I can add more or take away some based off of the conversations and how this sale goes. Last is just going to be the implementations, again, which come from the go-to-market page. And this just shows which deals have been closed. So as you can see, these are all the closed won deals. And it just shows those tasks that are inside of the specific deals. You can see the status of those tasks, and you can see where a deal stands after being closed won. So that way we can minimize the time to implementation or time to go live. And I know that's one of the key metrics for sales engineers. At least that's one thing that I like to pride myself on, is how fast I've gotten a deal to close and then how fast I've gotten it to going live.